Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications bell so you never miss out on tutorials designed to help you grow, manage, and optimize your Shopify store. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage customer notifications on Shopify, focusing mainly on order confirmations. By the end of this video, you will be comfortable navigating the Shopify admin dashboard to make sure that the notifications sent to your customers are exactly how you want them, clear, professional, and on-brand. Let's dive right in. First, you want to open your Shopify admin page. For those unfamiliar, this is the central hub where you manage all aspects of your store, from products and customers to themes and analytics. Once there, find the Settings option, typically located near the bottom of the left-hand navigation panel. Clicking on Settings will open up a new menu with a variety of administrative options that let you fine-tune your store's back-end operations. Before making changes to notifications, it's a good idea to check that your store's email address and sender name, found under Store Details in Settings, are correctly set up. This ensures your notifications come from your brand and not the default Shopify email. Next, you'll want to focus on the Notifications option. This section is crucial because it controls all the alerts and messages your customers, and you, as a store owner, receive. By customizing these, you can ensure clear and effective communication with your buyers. It's also an excellent opportunity to reinforce your brand identity through tone, visuals, and message layout. Once you click on Notifications, you'll see several subsections, and your focus should be on customer notifications. In this area, you have the ability to tailor-make the messages and emails sent directly to your customers based on different types of interactions, such as orders being placed, shipped, cancelled, or refunded. You'll also find templates for password resets, account creation, and delivery updates, allowing you to keep your communication consistent across all touchpoints. Consider adding your social media links or a branded footer to these emails. It's a subtle yet powerful way to encourage repeat visits and build long-term engagement. Now let's move into the finer details by accessing the Order Confirmation template. Order confirmations are critical as they reassure your customers that their purchase has been successfully processed. This message sets the tone for your post-purchase experience, so it's important that it's clear, accurate, and reflects your store's personality. Click on Order Confirmation, and you'll be taken to a screen where you can customize this email notification. To get a feel for what your customers will actually see, click on Preview. This is a handy feature that shows you a real-time example of the notification email. It not only helps in making aesthetic choices, like checking colors, spacing, or logo placement, but also allows you to verify that all necessary information is included before anything goes live. If you're comfortable with HTML and Liquid, Shopify's template language, you can click Edit Code to fully customize the design, add dynamic content, or match your emails to your website's branding for a more cohesive experience. Once you have the preview open, take a moment to carefully review all details and customer information presented in the template. Your customers will appreciate having comprehensive details at their fingertips, such as order number, estimated delivery date, summary of purchased items, billing and shipping details, and even a link to track their order. All laid out clearly. Accuracy is key here, as it reflects on your professionalism and attention to customer satisfaction. If everything looks great, you can exit the preview and proceed with either making more adjustments or finalizing the notification. Remember, you can revisit and make changes at any time, which is especially useful if you decide to update your brand voice, colors, or design elements in the future. You can even use Shopify's built-in variables, like customer.first_name, to personalize each message, adding a friendly, human touch that strengthens your brand connection. And there you have it. Now you're capable of confidently managing your customer notifications within Shopify. By ensuring these messages are on point, you're not just providing useful information to your customers, you're also enhancing their overall shopping experience with your brand. Your email notifications are often the first impression customers get after purchasing. Make sure they feel cared for and excited about their order. It can go a long way in building loyalty and encouraging repeat sales. Thanks for following along, and happy selling. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more Shopify tips and walkthroughs to help you run your business smoothly and professionally.